morning, guys. So we're doing a roof over here for a client. Met this client probably like right before Thanksgiving break, I think. And so, you know, they're telling me they had a bunch of leaks that had actually been happening since about a month or two after the install of the roof, and that was 9 years ago. So you can imagine how frustrated they've been for the past 9 years having to deal with these recurring issues. And so, you know, basically this company that installed the roof for them 9 years ago, they didn't install a very important component to the roofing system, which is drip edge. And so drip edge is used to shed water away from the fascia and, you know, the underlying components of the roof here, like the decking. Okay, so, you know, since the drip edge goes, it's supposed to go here, okay, and they did not install it. This is gutter. This is just the gutter. So they didn't install drip edge, and so you can see this decking is mush. Okay, it's complete mush. That should not be happening. That's bad, obviously. Okay, so I'm gonna take you over here. You can see it around the pipe jack too. Whoever did this roof did a really bad job of making sure water was staying out, which is one of the main things that a roof is supposed to do: keep water out, keep the elements out. And so you'll see over here, it's the same thing all around the roof. And so we are having to basically cut out everything around the sides and do what my guy here is doing, and replace all of that decking. Okay, so when we're done, it's gonna look real nice. We're gonna install drip edge. We're not gonna have any more issues like that.